Hi guys, my name is Ibn Hajid Ansari and you're watching the 20th tutorial on C programming, and today I will talk about dereferencing a pointer. So you already know that a pointer is a variable that stores the address of another variable. So you can also dereference the pointer variable. That means you can access the value at the address stored in the pointer variable. So let me show you what I mean. First, let me define my integer variable num, and I'm going to initialize it to the integer value 5, and I'm also going to define my integer pointer ptr, and it's going to store the address of the integer variable num, and I'm going to print the address address stored in pointer %p. Remember, format specifier %p is used when you're trying to print the value inside a pointer, when you're trying to print an address. So I'm going to write the name of my pointer variable, which is ptr, and I'm going to add a new line here as well. So I'm going to end this with a semicolon, and then I'm going to print the value at the address stored in the pointer ptr. So value at the address stored in pointer variable ptr %d, because the value at the address stored in pointer ptr is actually the value 5. Because look, the address of the variable num is stored in the pointer ptr. So the value at that address, the value at the address of the variable num is actually the integer value 5. So I can do that by using the dereferencing operator. And to write the dereferencing operator, you simply write the asterisk symbol and then you write the pointer which you want to dereference. So I'm going to dereference pointer variable ptr. So what is happening here? I mean, you might be kind of confused because the asterisk is used here and it is used here as well. Well, the asterisk has two purposes. It has two uses. It is used when you are first defining the pointer variable. So in this case, it is used when you're defining the pointer variable. It is not used as a dereferencing operator. And right here, the asterisk is used as a dereferencing operator when you want to dereference the pointer variable, when you want to access the value at the address stored in the pointer variable. So it has two uses. Again, when it's used here, it is used to define the pointer variable, and when it's used here, it is used to dereference a pointer variable. So let me just run the program. So the address stored in the pointer will be the address of the integer variable num, which is this, and the value at the address stored in the pointer variable ptr will be the value at the address stored in the pointer variable ptr, which is the address of the integer variable num. So the value stored at the address of the integer variable num is 5. So this is how you can dereference a pointer. Similarly, if I write a character variable right here, alpha, and I initialize it to the character A, for example, and I'm going to now define a character pointer which will store the address of my character variable alpha. And so simply I can print the address of the character variable alpha, and I can dereference it. This time I'm going to add a %c because the value stored at the address stored in the pointer ptr is actually a character. So when I run the program, this is going to print the address of the character variable alpha, and this will print the contents at that address, which is the character A, the value at that address. So this is all it about dereferencing pointers. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section, and thanks for watching this video.